helping the driver out.
Yeah, we're good. When you ready, Trev?
This is crazy. We just came in this shop. We just bought this just so we can stand in there. I'll show you around in a second. It's just a little studio apartment. Look at that view. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from Toruń, guys, or Toruń, Poland. Today is Monday the 15th of August and it's a national holiday in Poland today, so not much is open, but we are heading down to the square now. We'll have a little look around with the beautiful architecture. I've brought the drone, we've checked out the hotel, and it is like walking into a fucking oven, man. So now we're heading back to the main square and we're going to see if we can see the frog fountain. We're going to see if we can see the little frog fountain on the main square, and if you're lucky you get shots of pigeons drinking out of the frog's stream, like the mouth out of the water. We've just found technology of the future. Look at these relics. Just stopped in this cat cafe. Look at this, they've got a robot wait system. That's amazing. Look at the selection of cages. The cats are the boss in here. If they want to lie down, they lie down. What a lovely place, look at that. We've got like food, drink, breakfast. There's the waiter. It has arrived. Take the Pepsi.
And then what do we do?
Thank you. This is the what 3 words for where we are now if you want to visit. It's really worth coming here.
Likes that.
And here is the little fountain. So that was the fountain there. Nice little thing to see, but it's way too busy for the pigeons to come down and drink. Just look at that backdrop, man. Ooh-wee. I just got one of these to try. Give this a try. It's nice, like caramel. So we're back at the Leaning Wall again, the Leaning Building. And the story goes, if you can stand against this wall with your feet flat and put your arms out in front of you, you're fewer apart. Let's give it a try. I mustn't have a pure heart because that is impossible. So Toruń is really famous for 2 things. 1, it's gingerbread, and 2, it's the birthplace of Copernicus, who is the person who said the Earth isn't the center of the universe, the sun is, and everything revolves around the sun. What a guy. So they must carry this cross through the square, but if you look, the COVID years are missing. So Toruń is one of the only towns really in Poland that wasn't majorly destroyed during the wars. and to see like all of the original architecture, like Gothic and medieval. It's so cool. So we're just out here looking over the river. That's the point we were at yesterday when the weather changed, but look at it. Okay, we've got a mad dash back to the hotel, pick the bags up, and then straight to the train station. There was no boats available to pick us up from town back to the hotel, so we're cutting it a bit fine by having to walk back. Also, look at the size of this graveyard. Probably not the best time to be showing you when we're rushing, but look. We made it into the boat, and that is sweat. Thankfully there's aircon in here. Can't be getting on a train stinking. Okay, we're at the train station now, but we've got a bit of a problem. We're getting two trains, and this first one's 12 minutes delayed. So we're gonna just check if they can let the next train know, because there's no other trains in the Gdansk. So if we miss this connecting train, I don't know how we're gonna get there. So like I said, we're at the train station now, and I think Puff Daddy has been tagging up the place. Look, P Diddy coming to Poland. That's him and John Travolta tagging the place. Greasy bastards. So I'm just trying to kill the time while we're at the station. Been in for a time bark, peach and apple. I'll give that a try. So, peach and apple, okay. That is like angel's tears on your tongue. It is beautiful. Poland and time bark know their way around the drink. Can time bark please sponsor a full travel series through Poland? That would be incredible. I can feel the hydration. Whew. Look at this big boy that's just pulled in. Wow. Wow. It's Poland health and safety there. Just take the car straight down the track on the platform. You've got to love it. She's got the hazards on at least. So I went in, you have to pay 3 zlotys for the toilet. I went in to the shop and I just said, can I buy the use of your toilet? And he's just said, how much? And I said 3 zlotys. I paid 3 zlotys on card and he's given me the change. That is customer service to the next level. That is amazing. Aircon is beautiful. 35 minutes this first train, then we change for Gdansk, and we're only 6 minutes behind, so we should be fine. The train is very busy. Glad we've got seats on this one, but we haven't on the next one. I told you it was warm today, 35 degrees. We've just pulled into this station. We're 2 stations away. So now we're just waiting for the next train, which is about 12 minutes. Lovely little station this. The pigeons just sit down once they've had enough. They're just like, okay, time to chill. So we've got a 20-minute delay. It's now 24 minutes past 4. And we're just waiting for another update. I've just been feeding these pigeons here. It's passing the time. I'm just looking at all the different trains coming in. That's a new one, I've not seen that before. Maybe that used to be the air traffic control tower there, but they don't use it because this isn't an airport. Looks like our train's arrived now. Here it is. That busy. So this is our abode. This is just me and Pam here. We've got the toilet there. We've got the other door there. And this door here. And we've got 3 stops to go. May as well make the most of it here.
Are you comfortable?
There's actually, I wouldn't pay for this seat, but it's a nice second. Very second. We've pulled up, and this other train's keeping up with us. This is a new experience. I've never sat in the end of the train before. I'm liking it. Forget seat 1A, it's me, then the driver. This is excellent. So we got on here. We've got that, and then we'll get off here. Not too far, but it's still not. Just helping the driver out.
Yeah, we're good. When you ready, Trev?
In the words of Owen Wilson, wow, Poland is beautiful. So the train's just slowing down and sounding its horn. We're looking up ahead on the line just to see if there's an animal or something. I don't see anything yet. There has been some really epic lightning, but I don't think I've caught any. There's so much lightning happening in these clouds. It looks amazing.
We're good.
We've got into Gdansk and right on time it started raining. Typical. Back to the place it all started. Do you remember that clip? I'll show you now. I'll definitely be back when this train station opens because it's a bit of a building site at the moment. Right, just heading towards our apartment for the next 3 nights. Looking for a shop that's open to get some waters and stuff because, like I say, in Toruń it was so hard to get any supplies. Here comes the mega rain. It's starting. Woohoo! Look at this. Oh my word. This is crazy. We just came in this shop. We just bought this just so we can stand in there. We've just checked into the apartment now. We've just opened the door. Check this out. I'll show you around in a second. It's just a little studio apartment.
That's the
Good. Look at that view. Okay, I didn't get to show you the rest of the apartment because my phone died. And then I've just made the biggest mistake ever. I opened my laptop without my hard drive plugged in and Premiere Pro's crashed and I've lost all the order of my vlogs from this trip. I've tried the auto save, the auto recovery, and it's just not finding files even though they're there, and it's just, oh. Anyway, I'll sort it out, I'm sure, but have a look out the window. This is the view from our window. Gdansk sign. Gdansk? Gdansk. Gdansk mem. TV. Pam's just chilling on the bed. Little chill out area we've got here. Desk for editing. It's just a studio, like it's literally one room and little shower. So this is the wheel and that is our room. Gdansk is like 2 different cities, like daytime, all the hustle and bustle, and nighttime, It is absolutely beautiful. Everywhere's all lit up. I mean, you can see that's the other side of the river. This is absolutely perfect. Look at Just stopped in the square for a little beer, and it is absolutely stunning. Well, it's not even a square, it's like a main old street, and it's just beautiful. Get a little beer and sex on the beach. This might show it a little better, so I'm against the wall here.